Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. So friends, I will discuss a topic that best laptop 2024, best laptops tested and rates. So let's start our article and go to the mobile screen. Looking for one of the best laptop of 2024, you have arrived at the right place. At Laptop Mag, we test our 100 laptops yearly to find the best of the best. While there are some dudes along the way, we are panning for laptop gold and working to find outstanding laptops. Whatever you are searching for, an affordable Chromebook, a powerful gaming laptop, a flexible two in one, or a content creation laptop with a gorgeous display, we have done the legal work for you with our extensive reviews and testing. While there is always something new on the horizon in the world of laptops, latest reviews will always reflect the best. So the first one is can buy MacBook, MacBook Air M3. Today best deals on Amazon. Reason to avoid limited ports, display not as colorful as competitors. Reason to buy outstanding battery life, strong performance, bright liquid retina display, comfortable keyboard, improved SSD speeds. Weighing a mere 2.7 pound, Apple's smallest laptop feature the M3 chip, which delivers a power and efficiency boost over its predecessors. These make it may pick as a best laptop for most people. The MacBook Air at 13.6-inch display is one of the brightest laptop around, and true tone ensure excellent color accuracy, but its vibrancy falls short of some of the old competition. Rumors of Apple moving to old in the future abound, but not yet. Like the M2 Air, the MacBook Air M3 is one of the thinnest laptop of only 0.4 inches. 0.4 inches. However, unlike many ultra portable laptops, it can keep up with an impressive workload thanks to the M3 chip. Whatever it was, our benchmarks to our real world usage, the Air M3 was up for many tasks. All the performance powers does not hurt its battery life either. If finding an outlet can be challenging during your day, never fear. The Air M3 powered through our 15 hours of battery life testing in our lab. If you want to save money, the 13-inch MacBook Air M2 stick around a new $1999 starting price, and I accept to see it regularly discount to $899 for less. So look at the best MacBook deals for picking on up. Need more screen relate state, look on further than the 15-inch MacBook Air M3. So the next one is Acer Shift Go 15. Specification: CPU Intel Core Ultra 7 GPU, Intel integrated Arc GPU, RAM 16 GB, storage 1 TB, SSD, display 14-inch 1920 multiplied to 12,000, or size, and size is for 12 0.32 multiply 8.6 multiply 0.68, weight 2.9 pounds. Reason to buy: Intel Core Ultra CPU, Arc and GPU. NPU improves performance, stylish, sturdy, all aluminum build, excellent webcam, improved battery life. Reason to avoid: weak speaker performance, base display could be more colorful. Acer Shift Go 14 is the easy choice for the best budget laptop, starting from 749 dollars. The Go 14 is not the cheapest laptop, but its value is incredible. We reviewed the slightly upgraded nine triple nine dollar configuration, but the main trade-off is moving from the Intel Core Ultra 7 155 Hz to a Core Ultra 5 125 Hz. The performance difference will be negligible if you stick to productivity work, browsing and other general computing. The design remains the same at either price, with the Go 14 coming is at just 2.9 pounds. The metallic all aluminum cases give up a faint sparkle that feels far from premium than its price. Popping it open, the contrasting black chip style blackish keyboard looks and feel excellent. Acer also gives your port a plenty on this portable laptop with two Thunderbolt 4 ports, two USB Type A ports, an HDMI port, a micro SD card slot, a 3.5 audio jacket, and a Cinton lock slot. The display lands just below the mainstream average for color at 79.1% of the DSI P3 color gamut, average 85.2% in average, but it beats the category average in brightness at 374 nits, 354 in average. Again, factoring in the price, these are strong results. Performance with our review model was everything we have come to expect from the latest Intel Core Ultra 6.2. Overall performance test scored in 12,434, overtaking more expensive option like a MacBook Air M3. It also scorched the competition of for our handbrake video encoding test at 5 minutes and 18 seconds, almost for all 4 full minutes, under the category average 9 minutes 7 seconds, again besting the MacBook Air M3. So the next one is Asus ZenBook 14 old. Today's specification CPU Intel Core Ultra 7, GPU Intel Arc graphic, RAM 16 GB, storage 1 TB, SSD, display 14-inch 1080 megapixel, size for 12.3 multiply 8.7 multiply 0.6 inches, weight 3 pound. Reason to buy: almost 16 hours of battery life, snappy performance, quality video smooth, quality video and audio smooth, comfortable keyboard, secure webcam, privacy shutter. Reason to avoid: display could be brighter, runs a little hot. Asus has been a roll with the ZenBook 14 old line for a few years, so while it is no longer a surprise this early 2024, ZenBook takes yet another significant leap forward. This is no small part due to new Intel Core Ultra cheapest inside, but puts the ZenBook 14 old no par with any productivity and light content creation laptop on the market. It also absolutely blew the roof off our battery life test with 15 hours and 52 minutes in our test. That's the longest a traditional Windows laptop has lasted in recent memory. Diving into some of the specific on performance, it overtook the 13-inch MacBook Air M3. Is a multi-core Geekbench 6.2, 12,707 versus 12,087. That wasn't it only win against the much vanted MacBook. The ZenBook also beat it in our handbrake 1.6 test by converting a 4K video and 4K video to 1080 pixel in 6 minutes 36 seconds, a minute faster than the Air M3. Old display, the OLED display looks excellent in person, but the benchmarking put in the middle of the road when it comes to the DCI P3 color gamut at 79.8%, that below the mainstream average of 85.2% and just slightly ahead on the MacBook Air M3. It is extremely color accurate with the Delta F relevant of content creator display brightness. It is weak point against its competition at 339 nits, which is not a terrible result, but it's something we want to see as is address for the next model. So the next one LG Gram Super Slim specification, Intel Core i7 1360 pixel GPU, Intel Arises Xe, RAM 32 GB, storage 512 TB, SSD, display 15.6 inches, 1080 pixel OLED, size 11.6 multiply 8.5 multiply 0.4 inches, and weight is 2.18 pounds. Reason to buy: great battery life, unbelievable thin and light, crisp, rich display, competition beating performance. Reason to avoid: shallow keyboard. The LG Gram Super Slim puts every other so-called ultra book on notice with its 15.6 inches display, 0.14 inch thickness, and unbelievable 2.18 pound weight. It is mind bending that there is a real functioning laptop inside when you pick this thing up. Even more amazingly, it is not a weak laptop that cannot do more than browse the web and generate documents. The Intel Core i7 1360 pixel processor, 32 GB of RAM, 512 GB of RAM, and an Intel Arises Xe GPU give you enough to outperform the competition. Let's not forget that it also features a 15.6 inches OLED display, while coming in lighter than many 13-14 inches ultrabooks. Super Slim proved its mettle in our benchmark, delivering a Geekbench 5 score that clears the mainstream premium laptops average, and even the M2 MacBook Air. The SSD is no slouch either, delivering a file transfer rate of 1692.4 Mbps, well above the premium average of 1362.7 Mbps. Thin, light, and powerful. You are probably waiting to hear that it has terrible battery life. Think again. Apparently, LG also shoved the large battery in a pocket dimension inside the Gram Super Slim, because is lasted 11 hours of and 38 minutes on our battery life. So what the downside? There one magic trick that LG cannot manage, and creating extra depth for the keyboard, which our reviewer found a little shallow for their liking. It is not a deal breaker, but worth considering if you are crunching out a thousand of words a day on a Gram Super Slim. So friends, I hope you are like a video. So please like my video and share your friends, and hit the subscribe button.